This is the live Chakra Attunement with WisdomWord. It is Saturday, the 25th of April, 2026, 25-26. And we are practicing mindful breathing this morning. Mindful being this morning. So just note where you are, maybe stretch the body, stretch up the spine, sitting nice and tall and straight. Breathing in to the body and imagining breathing into any of the tight, cranky areas in the body. Anything that feels closed or tight, shoulders, neck, ankles. Focusing on the breath, breathing in, breathing out, and nice deep belly breaths so that you're breathing into your belly, your diaphragm, up into your lungs, all the chambers of the lungs. Stretching it out, opening up tight, closed spaces, shaking out the hands, shaking out the feet. And just imagine you're just shaking off anything that's collected on your aura that you don't need. Shake, 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 vibrate the body, breathe in, breathe out. And now, visualize, actualize, imagine the container of light around the body, below the feet, above the head, in front of the body, behind the body, to the right and the left. And this container of light, it's about 4 feet from the edges of your skin, the bottoms of your feet, the top of your head, existing in the quantum reality, and it's very real. So you can just take a moment and program what you want to keep out of your field today. Distractions, things that would take you off your path, things that would, pull you into negative spirals. So keeping that container of light nice and clear, breathing in, breathing out, and noticing what you notice. So this morning, we'd like to open with the Kuan Yin prayer. Kuan Yin, bringing compassion to the world, opening the divine feminine voice into the world, and kind of leading the way to bring in that resetting, rebalancing of energy. Dearest Lady Kuan Yin, I call on you to help me love and accept myself fully. I ask that you grant me a full measure of compassion for myself and for others. I pray that those suffering in the world can see and feel your loving presence. I pray that the hardened hearts will melt in the presence of your compassion and understanding. I pray that the waters of grace and compassion that you pour on the earth will nourish the seeds of love and compassion in all hearts, creating gardens of beauty within all living beings. It is my intention to nourish the garden within myself through prayer, meditation, right thinking, mindfulness. You can just add on whatever you know helps keep you on your path. In my heart, my garden flourishes, spilling over and filling my world with the fragrance of the garden. Thank you, dear Lady Kuan Yin, for your presence in my life and in my world. And continuing to breathe, just taking a moment to connect in with the divine feminine presence, inviting that energy into your life to nourish and nurture yourself, to nourish and nurture our world, breathing in and breathing out. Nice straight spine. Begin to let your awareness go to your chakras. First to the root, which connects us to the divine feminine, new healed whole Mother Earth, from the root chakra at the pelvic tailbone area, pelvic floor, goes all the way down the legs, the long bones, into the feet, and in the center of the feet, those chakras connect you to the new healed whole Mother Earth. So taking a moment, visualizing our earth as perfect, healed, garden spot that it is in the universe, breathing in, breathing out. Start to focus now your attention on the root chakra. One syllable Sanskrit mantra is Lam, and the exercise for the root chakra is a low tone Om, the toning of Om that you do that feel feel it resonate through the body as you visualize this red energy concentrating at the root and spinning this chakra. So it's like dialing it up to the perfect place for you to be grounded in spirit and in truth today. So imagine that spinning disc of a chakra there at the root energy, really clearing out, like the sounds and the visualization. It's kind of like clearing a filter, because these chakras, they serve to bring the prana and the life force distributed to your body, to your organs, to your blood vessels, your nervous system. So very important to keep them aligned. Nice and straight and tall, low-toned Om. Visualize red around you, like surrounding the body in a mist of red, but then concentrating it down into your container of light and bringing it further down to your root chakra. Ready? Lam, lam. And do one more, and while you're doing it, mentally repeat, like I'm fully grounded to, and connected to the new healed home, Mother Earth. I'm fully supported by her. So you can think those thoughts as you're grounding your energy. Ready? And breathing in and out. Each breath you take in, feel your spine getting a little bit taller, and the space, be aware of the space between the vertebrae, getting some chi force, life force in them today. Coming up now to your navel chakra. This is the orange energy. So begin to draw an orange mist. Imagine orange coming towards your aura. You're going to concentrate it down at the navel area, the mid-lower back there. Not even mid-lower back. It's like, 1, 2, 3, 4, I don't know, like maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 vertebrae. It's kind of right there. And breathing in and out, hip to hip, kidney to kidney. Imagining your child self and just visualizing your child self, sending lots of love to your child self this morning, and drawing that energy, that orange energy, towards the navel with the low, medium-toned Om and the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra of Vam. Vam. And one more. Nice deep breath in, pull up your rib cage as you're breathing in, solar plexus, yellow chakra. This is the yellow energy, like the sun. I'm going to draw that energy in. This is the high tone Om. The one syllable Sanskrit mantra is Ram. So just breathing yellow in. Think of yellow flowers, sunflowers, sunshine, whatever else is out there, chrysanthemums, whatever yellow energy, fruit, vegetables comes your way in nature. Just thinking of that vibration and that color. We're going to wake up that chakra, feel self-empowered, worthy, sense of self-worth as you bring this energy into the body, and you use the higher toned Om to spin the chakra, wake it up, and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra for this chakra is Ra. Ready? And breathing in, coming up to the heart chakra, deep sighs. Ah! So breathe into your heart chakra, imagine green energy, and sigh. You start to move the energy. The heart gets heavy, it picks up stuff. There's a lot of suffering in our world. Ah! We experience it in our own lives. Ah! Yam. One syllable Sanskrit mantra. Yam. Green energy pouring from the center of your chest, opening the heart, visualizing the divine feminine. The heart is the empress on the throne in Chinese medicine. So imagine breathing in and connecting to that divine feminine aspect, however you connect to her. Maybe Kuan Yin again, or Mother Mary, or Mary Magdalene, or Isis, whatever it is. Ah, yum, yum, yum. Ah, as you can really open your jaw with that. Green energy, send it to all the points in your body that feel tight or achy. Ah, yum, yum, yum. Ah, yum. Breathing in and breathing out. So the heart is the bridge. We're coming up to the next set of 3. These involve your place in the world, your connection to all life force, the living things. So these chakras are much more heavily influenced by the outer world, and this is the time to again check your container of light. Make sure you're staying connected to your principles, to your beliefs. Blue is the throat chakra. We use the lion breath. The paws come up and the fingers flare out, and your elbows are pointing down, forearms are out. This is a blue energy like the sky. The lion breath with hum. Tongue coming out to your chin. Hum, hum, hum. Breathing in and out, clearing the throat. You can make some kind of statement yourself that you wish to communicate truth, you wish to communicate with love and clarity today. Breathing in and out, and the one syllable Sanskrit mantra for this blue energy of your throat is hum as well, but we're going to chant it. Hum, 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 hum. Good. And coming up to the third eye. This is where we do a middle small gratitude practice. You may do a longer one some during your day at some point, or even write some of these out, the things you're grateful for. But for now, we bring the palms up, holding them out as if we're going to bestow a gift on someone, and start to say out loud the things you're grateful for. I'm grateful for my breath. I'm grateful for this body. I'm grateful for this cat in my lap who's being quiet for a change. Breathing in and out, grateful for this circle and all of you. Grateful for another day to practice, to be awake and aware. Breathing in, breathing out. So stating your gratitude out loud is definitely helpful. The color for the third eye is indigo, like a deep sapphire, the midnight sky, the medicine Buddha's skin color. It's a deep, deep indigo color. Palms are out. One syllable Sanskrit mantra is Sham, and the exercise is that high-pitched E. Ready? Sham, sham, sham. Sham, sham, sham. Palms are still open and out. This time they're open to receive back. We go to the crown chakra. This is the purple amethyst going to white light, streams up from the top of the head right through your container of light, connecting you to heaven's force. So you can think of your guides, your teachers, your guardians, your deities for a moment and feel gratitude to them for being in your life, for bringing you teachings, for helping you stay connected. Recognizing that you're not alone, the angelic force, the ancestors, all those who have gone before, holding the light so that we can find that light on our paths. Breathing in, breathing out. This is a wah 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 wah. Goes from low to high. Keep those palms open to receive back at the end of your last note. Wah 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 wah. Whoa, 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 breathing in and out. Letting your consciousness go from the root to the belly, to the solar plexus, to the heart, to the throat, third eye, crown. Notice what you notice. If any of those chakras need more work, you can spend some time in your meditation later, working with those chakras, listening to them, seeing what they have to let you know about what you've picked up in your moments in this dimension in life. Breathing in, breathing out. To close, we'll use the one-syllable Sanskrit mantra for the crown chakra, which happens to be Om. So let's together tone Om 3 times today to seal our practice, to acknowledge spirit, our spiritual beings, to acknowledge each other, and to just send that tone of a beautiful Om out into the world. Ready?